I have an explanation for the query put to me. The question is, when ethanol is heated at 170 degrees Celsius with concentrated H2SO4, it forms a compound A and water. Let us take this part first. Ethanol. You are heating it at 170 degrees Celsius with concentrated H2SO4 to give you what? A compound A plus water. Now ethanol is C2H5OH. ओके, आप जब इसको हीट कर रहे हो अब जनरल फॉर्म में आप देखिए देयर इज रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल यानी दिस इज अ डिहाइड्रेशन रिएक्शन. वी कॉल दिस रिएक्शन एज डिहाइड्रेशन रिएक्शन. इसमें से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकालना, एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल मीन्स आई कैन राइट दिस एज C5 हाइड्रोजन 1 2 3 4 5 and the functional group alcohol. If I have to remove a water molecule H2, तो मेरी दो valencies of carbon remain unsatisfied. So this will lead to the formation of an unsaturated compound that is ethene. क्या मिल जाएगा हमको? देखो C2H4, 4 हाइड्रोजन है. So you will get this compound A जो रहेगा आपका, it will be ethene, an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so CH2 double bond CH2 plus water. So what is your compound A? That is ethene. ethene कैसे बना देखिए आप, 2 कार्बन 4 हाइड्रोजन, लेकिन ये 2 वैलेंसीज अनसेटिस्फाइड है. So you will get the formation of a double bond. Okay, so this is the first part. Now the second thing that it says is the compound A reacts with hydrogen in presence of nickel to form B. So this compound A, now it is reacting with what? A is reacting with hydrogen. Okay, so it is reacting with hydrogen in presence of nickel. So H2 and a catalyst nickel is used to give you a compound B. अब देखिए आप हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करवा रहे हो तो द रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोजिनेशन. हाइड्रोजिनेशन ऑफ अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. A is your ethene. C double bond C 1 2 3 and 4 hydrogen. This is your ethene. इसमें आप 2 हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर दोगे, है ना. जैसे एडिशन ऑफ 2 हाइड्रोजन होगा तो ये डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होके यू विल गेट अ सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन एंड दिस कंपाउंड बी विल बिकम व्हाट? इथेन. सी सिंगल बॉन्ड सी 1 2 3, ये इथेन के 4 हाइड्रोजन. अब 2 हाइड्रोजनेशन आप ऐड कर रहे हो, हाइड्रोजन ऐड कर रहे हो तो यू विल गेट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन इथेन. दिस इज अ सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. दिस इज unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so in presence of a catalyst nickel, hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons occur leading to the formation of saturated hydrocarbon. This is used in the formation of vanaspati ghee. Vegetable oil is converted into ghee by means of this process. So remember, the unsaturated hydrocarbons are healthy for you, but the saturated hydrocarbons are unhealthy because of the formation of a single strong covalent bond. Okay, so the second question Name the compound A and the compound B. Compound A is ethene, compound B is ethane. Okay, write the balanced equation for the given reactions. We have already written it. These are the balanced equation. Now he is saying write the substitution reaction of compound B with chlorine. Now when you have to give the substitution reaction with chlorine, your compound B is ethane, C2H6. When you are going to go for substitution reaction of chlorine, one by one, that this reaction, substitution reaction, occurs in presence of sunlight, and when it occurs in presence of sunlight, eventually there is removal of a hydrogen and its place is taken up by chlorine molecule. Fine. So let us take the example ethane. First of all, we go for C2H6 plus chlorine in presence of sunlight. Okay, so that will give you ethyl chloride. अब एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हो रहा किससे? क्लोरीन से. सी आई एम राइटिंग द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला. 2 कार्बन 6 हाइड्रोजन. Chlorine Cl, single bond Cl. Okay, so one hydrogen is replaced with chlorine, and this hydrogen will combine with chlorine atom, another chlorine atom over here, this chlorine atom. Okay, so what do you get? You will get the formation of ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Okay, so what is the condensed formula with the formation of HCl? Okay, so this is ethyl chloride. इसका condensed formula आपको अगर लिखना है तो CH3 CH2Cl, ethyl chloride. Now again this ethyl chloride will react with another molecule of chlorine, CH3 CH2Cl plus Cl2. अब फिर से एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से निकल जाएगा और एक क्लोरीन एटम इसकी जगह ले लेगा. फाइन. सो यू विल गेट, एक हाइड्रोजन निकल गया तो CH4 हो गया, तो CH3 CH Cl2 again liberating hydrogen chloride. So ये हो गया dichloroethane. What do you call it as? Dichloroethane. और ethylene chloride. Ethylene chloride. Okay, come to the next one. Further, जिन्हें आप सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं किसके साथ? आप सब्सटीट्यूशन रिएक्शन कर रहे हो विथ क्लोरीन, तो एक एक हाइड्रोजन हटते जाएगा एंड सी द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द फाइनल कंपाउंड. नाउ अगेन CH3 CH Cl2, ये जो कंपाउंड बचा, अगेन इट इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट विथ क्लोरीन. तो अब ये हाइड्रोजन भी हट जाएगा and one chlorine will take its place. So here as such it will become CH3 CCl3 plus HCl. क्या हो गया आपका कंपाउंड? CH3 CCl3, that is कार्बन मिथिल और सॉरी इथिल टेट्राक्लोराइड. इसका स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला अगर हम देख लें तो 2 कार्बन, यहाँ 3 हाइड्रोजन आपके, 1 हाइड्रोजन 2 क्लोरीन. अब सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है आपको, तो ये हाइड्रोजन हटा रहा है, इसके साथ ये क्लोरीन को लगा रहे हो, तो दिस हाइड्रोजन विल कंबाइन विद दिस क्लोराइड, सो यू विल गेट CH3 CCl3, है ना, प्लस HCl। अब कंपाउंड क्या बन गया आपका? ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन। व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट एज? तीन कार्बन क्लोरीन एटम के हैं, तो ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन। 2 कार्बन एटम है, पेरेंट अल्केन कौन सा है आपका? इथेन है। 2 कार्बन एटम है, इसीलिए ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन। ओके, कम टू दिस ट्राइक्लोरोइथेन। ये आपका रिएक्शन इसी तरीके से चलते जाएगा जब तक कि पूरा आपके हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस ना हो जाए। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज, आई कैन कीप ऑन राइटिंग इट। अब फिर से आपको 3 रिएक्शन और लिखना पड़ेंगे इस तरीके से। सो दिस इज द सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन विथ इथेन। ओके, you can write it, this compound you can further keep on substituting. I have given you, the video will go very long. Okay, then the next question put to you is, how is denatured spirit prepared from ethanol? Now see, ethanol is a very clean fuel. Okay, it is used, it has various uses. Its uses are infinite because it is used in industries. It is used for making what? Denatured spirit. Then it is also used as an antifreeze in radiators for vehicles. Okay, then it is a solvent for various resins. It is also used as an antiseptic to sterilize wounds and syringes, used in the manufacture of dyes and drugs and even detergents. Now this ethanol, it is called as absolute ethanol when it is 100% pure. Okay, now as such it has some toxicating effect. So to avoid the consumption of ethanol, for this purpose what is done is a poisonous substance, that is methanol, is added to ethanol to prepare denatured spirit. Okay, so this, as such, you can avoid using ethanol as an intoxicating agent because the poisonous substances are very, very harmful for the brain. Okay, as such, if you take into consideration methanol, when you consume methanol, even in small quantities, you will find that it leads to blindness and it can even cause death. See, ethanol as such is oxidized in the liver to methanol, and this methanol, that is an aldehydic group, methanol gets converted into methanol, and this methanol is responsible for causing coagulation of the protoplasm. Okay, this methanol, if you are consuming alcohol that is in the form of denatured spirit, जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी यानी क्या बोलते हैं, they get addicted to it, they make use of, they keep on having this and it affects their brain, the nervous system very badly. So this methanol can affect your optic nerves. It can bring about coagulation of your protoplasm. You cannot think properly because it affects your brain, nervous system. That's the reason, to avoid the use of ethanol, it is poisoned with methanol, and we call this combination of ethanol and methanol as denatured spirit. Okay, then write the structural formula for compound B. I have already written the structural formula for compound B in this reaction. Okay, so that is nothing but ethane.